Hello, in front of me I've got MGZS. In this video I'll show you how to start and stop the driving. To start driving this car, firstly, enter it, fasten your seatbelts, adjust the seat and adjust the rearview mirrors. And now, press brake and press start stop. Now, push this lever twice downwards to select drive or upwards to select reverse. And now press this button to release parking brake. To stop driving, firstly, park, press parking button, pull this button to activate parking brake, and now press start stop to stop driving. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.